June 29th is celebrated worldwide as International Industrial Design Day, a day that pays tribute to the perfect fusion of art and functionality. Join us as we delve into the intricate process behind the design and creation of Teinova's products.
Industrial design is a strategic process. It is a key factor in Teinova's success. The development of our innovative products meets the needs of our customers. For me, design is about finding the delicate balance between form and function. When we design, we consider all the elements: ergonomics, aesthetics, functionality, safety, and many more. In addition, design is empathy. It's about understanding our clients' needs and desires. By incorporating their valuable feedback into our process, we create equipment that not only meets their expectations, but exceeds them.
Our R&D department focuses on the technical aspects of product design, incorporating state-of-the-art technology and sound engineering principles. We prioritize comfort and ease of use. The study of ergonomics plays a crucial role in ensuring that our products can be operated efficiently and without excessive effort. We look for the most organic way for operators to handle and transport the equipment.
We believe that functionality and performance go hand in hand. Our team meticulously analyzes the challenges faced by each machine. By integrating engineering techniques and leveraging state-of-the-art materials, we create equipment that excels in performance, efficiency, and reliability.
Ensuring safety is a priority. We integrate, among other mechanisms, emergency stop systems, protective enclosures, and intuitive controls to minimize any residual risk. We comply with all regulatory standards in the European Union and in many geographical areas. We design and select the components of our equipment to ensure maximum quality and safety.
We invest considerable effort in streamlining the interface, optimizing workflows, and providing clear instructions to improve usability. By scanning a QR code, users can watch videos showing the commissioning of the equipment. Teinova's brand values revolve around innovation, reliability, and professionalism. We embody these values by creating sleek and modern equipment. Our brand is evident in everything from the choice of colors and materials to the overall aesthetic appeal, reflecting our commitment to excellence.
Modularity is very much at the forefront of our product design. This approach enhances versatility, reduces costs, and enables multifunctionality in some equipment.
We eliminate or minimize routine maintenance tasks. In addition, we provide documentation and support so that small repairs can be carried out by users without the need to send the equipment for service.
We meticulously choose materials that offer the ideal combination of durability, performance, and sustainability. Equipment must withstand harsh conditions caused by stresses and shocks, as well as contact with aggressive chemicals. Among the materials we use most often are polyamide, stainless steel, or high-density polyethylene. We give priority to the use of environmentally friendly materials to guarantee our commitment to sustainability.
With this video, we wanted to make a quick review of the way we design cleaning equipment in Teinnova. For all those who want to know more details, you can visit us at our facilities or schedule a visit online, where we will offer you more information and answer all your questions.